Happy New Year, pretty birds. It's January 2020, and I am packing for my first international trip of the year. My husband and I are headed to Tulum, Mexico to celebrate my friend Andrea's 40th birthday. Her husband has planned the entire trip, so I am packing a variety of looks that will work for different situations. I checked the weather the other day, and in the daytime it's about 80 degrees, and in the evening it's about high 60s. So here we go. Let's have a look at what I'm packing. The first look I'm packing is this combo right here. This is a Ghani button-down shirt with a ruffle collar. This was a gift from the brand. I am pairing this with these Ray shorts. I'll either wear the shirt tucked into the shorts, but I also think that it looks cute outside of the shorts. For me, this is a perfect look to explore in, and I know that it also is super comfy and I can stay in the hotel and lounge with other guests in it. The next look I'm packing is also by Ghani, and this is also a gift from the brand. I love this acid wash pink denim mini dress. It's a super comfy dress, and it can also double up as a cover-up. What's important for me is comfort and ease. This is the kind of piece that I can throw on in the morning over a swimsuit. I can head to breakfast and I can take off, have a swim, put back on for lunch, and then if anyone in our group suggests to explore in town, it's something that I can put back on and feel comfortable in. The next piece that I'm packing is this transparent and other stories dress. I've worn this already in California, and I wore it over a sports bra and bike shorts, and it looked really chic. I'm planning to wear this with one of my favorite black swimsuits, and it's another piece that I can throw it on in the morning and wear it all throughout the day in comfort and in style. The next piece I'm packing is the silk tie-dye Celine button-down shirt. I love this shirt because it's long enough for me to wear as a dress, and it also, for me, is a neutral now, and I feel like I can wear it with so many other things, so many prints, so many textures. It's basically become one of my staple pieces that I wear all the time, and I pack and take everywhere with me. On this trip, I plan to actually wear it with this dress, and this is a Cecile Benson dress that I found on sale at the end of December. Like I mentioned, it's going to be around 60 degrees in the evening, and you guys, I was born in Jamaica. I have lived in cold places all my life, but I will never ever get used to the chill. This dress is amazing. It has a scoop back, but I think that I'm going to be cold if it really is 60 degrees. So I plan to layer this over this top over this dress. I love the clash of these prints. I love how the yellow works with this yellow and it kind of blends together. Probably going to wear this with high heels. look I'm packing is also a look that I've worn before, and I'm confident that it's going to work well in Mexico. I love the color blocking and I love the weight of this suit. It feels like a heavy linen. And when I wore it in California, I wore it out for drinks one night, and then we had a spontaneous dinner after, so we were out from probably 7 to 1 in the morning, and it was a look that just worked for every situation, and it was really warm. This can also be worn as separates, which is the fun thing, and this is a shirt jacket that can be worn with so many other things for layering purposes. The next piece I'm packing is this Jacquemus dress. I've worn this dress a ton of times. I've worn it with flats, I've worn it with high boots. It's sexy, it has the slip right here, it's a split, and then it has this low neck, V-neck neckline. I usually wear this over a nude bodysuit, and I just know it works, and so I'm packing it on this trip. And you know, it's the kind of thing that just packs so easily. It folds or lays flat really easily, and it just works all the time. The next piece I'm packing is this Tibi jumpsuit. I love the weight of this. I think this is going to be perfect for dinner. I love this midnight blue color. I plan to cinch it at the waist for dinner, but you can also wear it baggy and loose like I'm holding it now. Can't wait to wear it. There's one more look that I'm wearing. I'm going to include it in the video. I think it's at the dry cleaner, and I'll include it in the video. I've already worn it for a post that I did last summer. And yes, that's it. So I hope you're inspired by these looks. I hope that you're planning lots of holidays this year yourself. Share them, talk about them, leave me a line in the comments, and look out for more videos from me. Thanks.